Hi, good morning, my dear friend. I hope you are fine. So today I am to share another session with you. So I am to share how do I learn English, and also in this video I am to share which type of process I followed. So please, my dear friend, listen to carefully. Whenever I was in class 7 or 8, that time I realized English is most important. But trust me, I did not able to good marks. I always got like 40 to 50 out of 100. At that time I realized how did I overcome it. But I did not get any answer for that. And I always tried and tried, but I did not get proper answer. So in that way I qualified my school. Next I selected in engineering field, and again I faced similar situations. And then I am very disappointed for myself. And because, my dear friend, that time I realized I lost my engineering. I didn't understand each and every point. So I'm really confused. How can I overcome it? After that I took admission in coaching center for learning English. But that is not helpful for me. And whenever I was preparing for IIT examinations, that time I met my guru, that is Mr. Kulkarni sir. Whenever I met with him, that time he said each and everything. What is the technical thing? What is the inside concept? And if you follow it, then definitely you can learn it. But if you try and also you can remember all the points, that is not work for you. But before that, I did it. Always I remember all the points. I do not practice. I am always thinking I can learning all the concept after I can speak English. No, my dear friend, that is not work for us. English is just a language. Just believe me. Whatever you follow during learning Bengali, same thing you can happen in here. But during learning English, we always try that learn after we can practice. No, this is the biggest mistake, my dear friend. Just trust me. If you just follow, whatever I learn, I can practice. It's okay. It's okay. Right, wrong, that's different game. But you can practice from first day. Whatever you learn, just stand up in front of mirror, or you can use your mobile camera. But whatever you learn, you can share in front of that. And closely see each and every points. Then you can understand which one is weakness, which one is strength. Then you can note down. Then you can practice again. And also you record your video. This is very important. My dear friend, remember this. No one guide you if you do not guide yourself. Learn from your side. Your teacher, your tutor also guide you. You can follow, but do from your side. So whenever my teacher, Mr. Kulkarni sir, share all the points, all the technical things, then I can follow it. Till I am also following all the points. Because my sir said very good points, without practice you will never ever compatible. So my dear friend, if you want to learn whatever you have, just you can practice right now. Day by day you can analyze yourself. This is the biggest lesson for you. If you are sincere about English, because my dear friend, English is a very essential as per our current situations. I am to share only one point, that is whatever you learn, whatever you know, stand up in front of camera and you can practice it. And you can analyze, next day again you can practice and you can learn. And my dear friend, if you follow 4 process, listening, reading, writing and speaking, and if you invest only 15 minutes each sector, then definitely as soon as possible you can speak English. So my dear friend, I hope you understood some points from this video. If you know something, then please, my dear friend, comment in the comment box and you can start from today. And if you have any queries regarding this, and if you want any help, then please you can message me. Then definitely my team as well as me, we will connect as soon as possible. So I hope you understood. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. And my dear friend, if you want to more this type of videos, then please, my dear friend, like and subscribe to my channel and share to our friends, because your subscribe is very motivation for me, because I believe that my content is very helpful for someone. So thank you for watching this video. God bless you and please subscribe my channel. अरे wait, my dear friend, आप एक चीज़ भूल गए, पता नहीं क्या, आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस भी नहीं किए, प्लीज़ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स सब्सक्राइब राइट नाउ। थैंक यू सो मच। कर लिया ना? थैंक यू। ओके बाय।